Dear student, today I will solve exercise 3.3 in trigonometric function. So now let us start question number first. Prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So now angle written in the form radian. So now this angle represent in radian. So you know that in previous class, so value of trigonometry ratio 30, 45, 0 and 60, 19. So now we change this form into angle form. So this now let pi, value of pi let 180 degree. So now pi is equal to 180 degree. So pi by 6. So now 180 divided by 6. So this is 30 degree. Pi by 6 means value 30 degree. Same way pi by 3 is equal to 180 divided by 3. So this is 60 degree. Pi by 3 means change into angle form. So 60 degree. And same way pi by 4 is equal to this 180 divided by 4. So this is 45 degree. So now according to trigonometry table ratio angle table, so sine square pi by 6. So now taking LHS, right here sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. So now sine pi by 6, so pi by 6 means this is 30 degree. So sine 30 degree, so this is 1 by 2. Sine pi by 6 means value 1 by 2. So this is square. So now make square. Plus same way cos square pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. So cos pi by 3 or cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. This is square, so also this is square. And tan pi by 4, so this is 45. Pi by 4 means same here. So pi by 4 means 45, tan 45, this value, this is 1. So this is square, so also is square. Now 1 by 2 means 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. So now 1 square 1. So 1 by 4, now taking LCM, so 4, so 1 plus 1 and this is 4. So 2 minus 4 upon 4. So minus 2 upon 4. So now 1 by 2. So now 1 by 2, this is RHS, proof it. Question number 2, prove that 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 and cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Now take a LHS. So now write 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 and cos square pi by 3. So now value sine pi by 6 put here. So 2 sine pi by 6 means this is 30 degree. So 1 by 2, this is square, this is square. also cosec square. Now break up this pi plus pi by 6. So 6 pi plus pi 7 by pi, and cos square pi by this is 60 degree. So 60 degree 1 by 2 square. So cos square pi by 3, cos pi by 3 means 1 by 2. So square, this is a square. So now 2 into 1 by 4 and plus. So cosec, now according to formula, so cosec pi plus theta. Pi means 180 degree, 180 plus theta. So this pi due to no change ratio, so this is cosec theta. So lies in quadrant pi plus theta, so lies in third quadrant. So now this is negative value. So now cosec square pi by 6, so this is square, and 1 by 2 means 1 by 4. So this is 2, 1 by 2 plus minus square plus, so cosec pi by 6, so cosec 30, this is 2 value 2. So 1 cosec square, so cosec 30, so this is 2 minus 2 square and 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4, so this is cancel out. 1 by 2 plus 1, this is 3 by 2. So this is RHS, prove that. So now change 7 pi, this is sin square pi by 6 means sin pi by 6. So this is 30, 1 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2, and cosec 7 pi upon 6, this is break up. So now break up this angle, so pi plus pi by 6. So cosec pi plus theta, cosec 180 plus theta minus cosec theta. So cosec, this is cosec and pi by 6. So value negative square, so square 1 by 4. So cosec pi by 6 means value 2 minus 2 square 4 and 1 by 4. This is cancel out and solve it. So this is 3 by 2 will be. So this is RHS, proved it. Prove that question number 3, cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Now prove result 6. Now take LHS. Taking LHS, so cot square pi by 6 and cosec 5 pi by 6 and plus 3 tan square pi by 6. So cot pi by 6 means this is 30, cot 30 degree. So now root 3 square and plus, now break up this angle. So cosec pi minus pi by 6 and 3 tan pi by 6 means 30. So 1 upon root 3 square. So this is 3 and plus cosec pi, so this is cosec pi due to, so no change. So this is cosec, so angle pi by 6 lies in quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is positive value, and plus 3 into 1 by 3, so this is cancel out, so 3 and plus cosec 30, so it's 180 upon 6, this is 30, cosec 30, value 2 plus this is 1, so 3 plus 2 5 plus 1, this is 6, RHS. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that question number 4, 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. Now taking LHS, so write here 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. So 2 now break up this angle, so sin square pi minus pi by 4 and plus 2 into cos pi by 4 means cos 45 1 upon root 2, so this is square, also is square, plus 2 sec pi by 3 means 60 degree, sec 60 degree means this is 2, so also square, this is also square. So 2 sin pi minus theta, so since sin pi minus theta or sin 180 minus theta, so pi means 180 pi minus theta, this is sin theta lies in second quadrant, so this is positive value. So I'll write here sin square pi by 4 and plus 2 into 1 by root 2 square means 1 by 2 plus this is 2 into 4 and 2 into 1 upon root 2, so sin 45 degree and pi by 4 means 1 upon root 2 square plus 1 plus 8, so 2 into 1 by 2, so this is cancel out, plus 1 plus 8, so this is 1 plus 1 plus 8, so this is 10, so this is RHS. Proved that. So revise it, that's all, thank you.